Greetings, everyone. This is Melek Shalama Capital LLC, and right now I'm in a live trade on ES Futures. We took a short here at 6850.50, and is basically a 360 fire strategy on a higher time frame using Camarilla weekly Camarilla S3 as my retest level. So basically, where I'm looking for a distribution here at these levels, right? This weekly Camarilla S3 level. So we basically came back up to the higher time frame buying climax. We started to distribute, right? Right. So we had a buying climax right here. We had a uptrust. We had a test or uptrust after distribution. And then we basically started to create this markdown phase. We broke this automatic reaction level here at 68, 61.25. So let me just basically kind of map this out. So this right here would be the automatic reaction level, right? This is the sign of weakness right here. This is the buying climax. This is the uptrust. This is the uptrust after distribution. And this is where we start breaking down into the markdown phase, right? So let's see what this trade is doing here. All right, so I have a 6 point trailing stop, and that's looking like it might get taken out now. We came down all the way here to roughly 68.27. So if the selling persists and we get a rejection right here of 68.31, which is the weekly floor pivot S1 level, then we could continue down to this liquidity at 68.25, which is looking like it's possible. Possible selling absorption right there, right? So we could get a retracement to take me out. And we're out of the trade right there, right? So that's basically the trade. It was a phase E markdown from a distribution up here at the buying climax level. And I just want to show you this real quick. Let me do some proper labeling here, right? Right, so you see the heavy volume right here. You see that where price pushes up, heavy volume, absorption sellers, absorption buyers, right? So that's our buying climax there. This is the level. So I'm gonna label this right here. That's the buying climax. 1 second. So I'm just gonna take you through like a Wyckoff labeling process, right? So 1 second. Right, so that's the buying climax. All right, so after that, we're looking for the retracement, right? We're looking for the pullback. So our automatic reaction would be here at 68, 61.25. Right here. All right, so after the automatic reaction, we're looking for the uptrust, right? So the uptrust is going to be this level right here, right? 68.71. Right, so after the uptrust, we have a sign of weakness here. I think it's going to pull back below the automatic reaction. Let's see here. So we come down to this level here, and that's our sign of weakness because we broke the automatic reaction level, so that's sign of weakness. So let's see. All right, so after that, we push up and we create this, the upthrust after distribution. So you see buyers came in here, heavy volume. We pushing up, we get a bunch of buy sweeps, 645, 563, 666, 351. We have some buy stops going off, 334, creating the UTAD right there, 6872. Right, so after that, we're entering phase C, right? Well, phase D, where we're actually starting to mark down out of the range. We break the range right here. This is the automatic reaction. We break that. I want you to look at the order flow around this level here. So when we break down the automatic reaction, right, we come back, we retest it, and we go, right? So this is my entry right here. It's a little late. So took this breakdown right here. Actually, it's a VWAP breakdown, but the selling was actually it was obvious, right? And the break of this weekly Camarilla S3 level, that was obvious as well. So on a higher time frame, we're looking at a 365 retest of Camarilla S3, and on the 5-minute chart, still higher time frame though, we retest this buying climax level. We created a distribution around that level, which is a higher time frame LPSY, right? And began selling off from there. So basically, it's a higher time frame, 365, but on this time frame, it's basically a black sun strategy at this buying climax level, value area high, and yeah, all of this is the Wyckoff labels that I showed you right there. All right, y'all. So it's Melek Shalama Capital LLC, and y'all trade safe and stay blessed.